What is Luna 2.0 and when was the Terra Luna 2.0 release date? Luna is no doubt an attractive vehicle, and for those who are in love with it, we have great news. Have you guys heard about Luna 2.0? Yes, the company's going to launch their new vehicles that would be an advanced model of the previous one. And of course, we are going to inform you all about it. Hello friends, welcome back to Crypto Trends. Today we're going to discuss a really exciting thing. In this video, we'll try to cover all the information about Luna 2.0. We will discuss here what would be the features of this wheel and what would be the estimated release date. Are you guys excited? Without wasting any time, we'll start with the video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and click the bell icon to watch more videos like this. Now that the new Luna 2.0 currency has been available for purchase for 1 week after the reactivation of the Terra ecosystem, the question arises, what precisely is Luna 2.0? Kwon and the crew from Terra are working on a recovery plan for the Luna system as Luna attempts to pick itself up after the massive crypto meltdown that occurred there. The previous Terra blockchain was split off into the new Terra 2.0 under this concept, as was agreed in the vote for Terra Luna. Now that the transfer to the Luna 2.0 crypto exchanges has been completed, with the Binance Luna 2.0 listing being one of the last to take place, let's have a look at what all the fuss is about. What is Luna 2.0? After the failure of the stablecoin, the Terra Luna ecosystem required a fresh new token to be implemented on the new Terra blockchain in order to be saved. This token is known as Luna 2.0. Kwon, the creator of Terraform Labs, has a proposal that would see a new chain take the place of the present Terra network. This plan has been given the name the Luna Rebirth. In conjunction with this, a current version of Luna will be replaced with Luna 2.0. It has removed its connections to the UST stablecoin, which was the cause of the collapse in the first place. The majority of decentralized applications, or dApps, will move to the new chain simultaneously with it. The majority of the other features, according to Terra, will be carried over. Terra 2.0 is bringing the same ideas you fell in love with the first time, it tweeted. World-class UI UX, our incredible lunatic community, and a vast skilled developer pool prepared to construct the future of DeFi. More and more projects are beginning to successfully transition over to Luna 2.0, and Terra is tweeting about a number of these developments each and every day. On the other hand, the old chain, along with the old Luna, won't just vanish. Rather, they'll coexist. The previous chain will now be referred to as Terra Classic, and the continuation of the Luna chain will also be a part of the Luna Classic experience. After the unveiling, everyone's attention is now focused on the pricing of the Luna 2.0. A week after its initial public offering, the price of Luna has dropped by 66% from its all-time high of $19.54. After hitting a low of $3.63, it managed to claw its way back up, but it has been very volatile ever since then. The current price of Luna is $6.53, which is a decrease of 10% in the last 24 hours. The company's market is worth now $1.3 billion. In the meanwhile, the price of the Luna Classic has seen a somewhat dramatic drop today, falling by 6%. Despite the fact that the launch of the new coin represents a fresh start for the network, current holders and members of the cryptocurrency community are not likely to forget the demise of Luna anytime soon. Luna 2.0 release date. So till now, we have discussed what Luna 2.0 would be. Now let us discuss when we can have this vehicle in our house. Luna 2.0 was made available for download on May 28th at the Genesis block for the new Terra chain. The production of the first block on the new mainnet, which was referred to as Phoenix 1, occurred at the launch hour of 6 a.m. UTC, which corresponds to 2 a.m. Eastern Time and 11 p.m. Pacific Time in the United States. Terra moved the launch date back by 1 day, and now it is scheduled to take place on May 28, 1 day later than what was originally planned. Following the completion of the launch of the Terra 2.0 mainnet, Terra made the following statement. The people who live in Terra are about to embark on a new adventure, and today is the first day of it. One in which our potential is unconstrained in any way, and in which our group's creative spirit may thrive. During its 190% increase in value in less than 4 hours, the Luna price fluctuated between $3.50 and $10.20, inside a range that extended from $3.50 to $10.20. Terra stayed in this enormous run-up for the following 11 days as the storm raged. On June 8th, it had a breakdown as a consequence of the selling pressure. The result of this is that the 4-hour candlestick closed lower than $3.50, which resulted in a drop of 46% and came dangerously near to retesting at the minus 27% retracement level located at $1.69. Since that time, the price of Luna has not been able to rebound to a point where it is over the $3.50 barrier. The recent breach of the $1.69 barrier caused the price of Luna to rise by 32% to where it presently trades, which is $2.07. If this momentum keeps up, there's a significant probability that the Luna 2.0 alternative currency may break over the $3.50 barrier in the near future. If prices were to rise to $3.50 from here, it would represent an overall increase of 72%, and it is likely that this level is where the price of Luna would be capped in terms of its potential for further gains. If, on the other hand, the price of the 4-hour candlestick is able to achieve a closing price that is higher than that barrier that was described above, it would provide an even more upbeat picture and open the door to $4.98. The recent breaking of the $1.69 barrier resulted in a surge of the price of Luna by 32%, bringing it up to where it trades at the moment, which is $2.07. If this upward trend continues, there's a good chance that the alternative currency known as Luna 2.0 will soon be able to push above the $3.50 threshold. If prices were to rise to $3.50 from here, it would represent an overall increase of 72%, and it is likely that this level is where the price of Luna would be capped in terms of its potential for further gains. If, on the other hand, the price of the 4-hour candlestick is able to achieve a closing price that is higher than the barrier that was described above, this would provide an even more upbeat picture and open the door to $4.98. If, in spite of the fact that things are looking better for the price of Luna, a lower bottom will be created if there's an increase in the amount of selling pressure that results in a 4-hour candlestick closing below $1.69. This will create a lower bottom in the event that there is an increase in the amount of selling pressure that results in a lower bottom. As a consequence of this fresh knowledge, the bullish thesis will be proved to be inaccurate, which will provide bears the chance to seize control of the situation. In such a situation, the price of Luna might even plunge below the psychological barrier of $1, and in a very bearish scenario, it could retest the listing price of 50 cents. In this scenario, the price of Luna could also retest the psychological level of $2. So, here we are, done with our video. Are you guys going to book the slot for Luna 2.0? Hey, please let us know which feature you like the most. And if you like this video, please leave a like and share it with your friends. And if you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you get the latest notification of all of our latest videos. We update and upload new videos all the time, so make sure you stay tuned with us. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching this one, and we'll see you in the next video.